Hello everyone. In last video about function, we have discussed the meaning of the function, then type of function, some concept related to function like scope, local scope and global scope, then mutable and immutable properties of functions. Today we are going to see some example related with functions. I think it will be visible to all. Here we have defined a function by using keyword def. The function name is can see something. It has one argument, variable x, then its body. It is going to calculate 2x square, then calculation will be returned r to the main program. Here is the main program we have, where we are taking in an input which is type of integer, then we are printing whatever we are receiving the result from the function cal something. Now how a Python interpreter will execute it? Python will read this program from here. It will take an input, will come to the print statement, but Python interpreter will see that here is a function call with a variable a. You have already entered the variable of value of a, then this value of a will be passed to the function cal something, and whatever the value a has will be copied to x. 2 into a value of x, then its square. First of all, square will happen, then multiply with 2. Suppose we have 5, then 25 into 2, 50. 50 will save to r, then the value of r, 50, will return and come back to here. In print statement, you will find value 50 and it will be printed. Come to the next. Calling, invoking, or using function. There are actually various ways to call a function. A function call statement takes the following form. Means जब फंक्शन को हम कॉल करेंगे तो उसका सिंटैक्स क्या होगा. प्रोग्राम के टॉप पर हम पहले से ही फंक्शन को डिफाइन कर देते हैं, देन मेन प्रोग्राम के पार्ट पर ही हमें फंक्शन को कॉल करना होता है. तो सबसे पहले हमें फंक्शन का नेम लिखना होता है, एग्जैक्टली सेम जैसा हमने फंक्शन डेफिनेशन में लिखा हुआ है. वैल्यू टू बी पास्ड मीन्स आप क्या वैल्यू से पास करने वाले हैं, क्या वैल्यू देने वाले हैं जिस पे वो कुछ ऑपरेशन करेगा. ओके, हियर इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. You are just giving the value or you are just passing the value 5. This 5 will go to the function definition and it will calculate accordingly. Another way is you have already value of a variable, and you passing the variable a instead of passing value. Here is the function definition, how you define a function. We have already seen like this. Some possible ways of calling function cube. It is defined, we have already seen. We have already seen this cube function over here. It is taking one variable. There are some ways to pass the value. just pass the constant value 4. Second way is we are taken a number variable and we are passing the variable. Third, we have taken input from the user saved to in mynum and we are passing mynum to the function definition. Or we have used this call statement in a print statement. Whatever the result will come after calling will be printed over here. Or you can use the function call like this: 2 into whatever the q function will calculate will be multiplied by 2. We have function types. We have already discussed this in last class. Built-in, already built. We don't need to import any kind of module to use this. Function defined module, these are the specific modules like maths. Whenever you want to use some special functionality, you have to import math. So whatever the function the module math contain will be used in your program. User defined, as per your need, as per your requirement, you can define your own functions here. How a function defined actually in Python? We have discussed the how to call a function. Here is a syntax to define function. It is started with keyword def, then space, then function name, then number of parameters or arguments which we are going to use. Function docstring, you already know the docstring. You know, whatever you want to write here about what the function mean, what will it do, then body of the function, the statement which you want to execute. Here, for example, you have def keyword sum, name of the function, then two parameter x and y. You can also say it argument, two argument x and y. Here x and y will be added, saved to s, and this result will be returned. Accordingly, you can use a simple function with def keyword greet and you are just printing good morning. Here some example: keyword def, function name, parameter inside rxy. It is known as function header, which is a block and with colon. This is the function body. Same thing here, function header, then its body. Keyword def, function name, parameters. Thank you for today listening. To get a best result of this video, use laptop and earphone. It will be visible and you can listen it properly. Thank you very much.